I just want to review today our database use and database activities. So when we're going to use a database, we want to, from the Friendship ISD website, go to Schools, Heritage Middle School. Once we get there, definitely there's a library link from staff, and that may be your best place to get it. So you go to HMS Library. And once you get here, there's all kinds of links. Some interesting things if you ever want to figure out a book series, if you want to, what should I read next, gives you a kind of a question about books that you like, and then it will recommend different books. Actually pretty cool. You've got some of your 8th grade history stuff, social studies stuff on here, some Spanish help in here. So this is a really good website. And of course, what we're looking at is our database usage. So under digital resources, today we're looking at Gale. So you get on Gale, and when you put in a topic, whatever you're looking for, you can search in a few different ways. And once you find what you want, this is going to pull from all of these different databases. Once you find the article that you want, why is Fortnite so addictive? This looks good. You were tasked with reading the article, and then you were supposed to pull 5 keywords from the article. After you pulled your 5 keywords, you were supposed to write a short summary of the article and find 3 quotes. Now, some people struggled with the quotes, and I will tell you, or just remind you again, that there's a difference between a quote and dialogue. It doesn't have to be people talking, because these are all the words by this guy, okay? So we know that this guy named Daniel wrote all of these words. They're not my words. Without citing them, I cannot paraphrase or quote his words. So I may pick a fad may diminish quickly. That's going to be one of my quotes. I can Control C, and then depending on what I'm using, it may be that I have a Word document, or maybe an Edmodo, or however you're asked to turn it in. So there's one quote, and you can just pick another, another couple quotes, things that stand out to you as important. Now with the citation, if you're using Gale, and this is why I wanted you to practice this, you have 2 places where it's cited. This is the URL. This is not a citation, okay? It's a URL. And that means that it'll get you to that website, but it doesn't give you who wrote it. It doesn't give you all the information. This is not a this is not a citation, okay? It's the URL and the copyright information. So you can get it from 2 places. One is here where it says Citation Tools, okay? It'll let you download it. It'll let you copy and paste it. And you can see this has a lot of information. It's got the author, the name of the article, where it was published, when it was published, what type it is, what page it's on, and then it also gives the URL, plus when you accessed it. So we know this was written April 4th, 2018, and we accessed it April 23rd, 2018. Okay, so there's my citation. I don't know why it's like that. I could go up and say no color. Maybe make it. The other way, the other place in Gale that they have it is right here. Okay. So again, Control C will copy it. And then if we go back to our Word document, Control V is going to paste it. Okay, now because I don't know why it's doing the shading, but because it is doing the shading, you might want to, in a real research paper, This would be your works cited page. You would start your works cited page with this, and you would want to download it so you can mess with the font. And then again, in an actual research paper, and I know this looks really weird, but this is how you do the backwards indenting. And so this is how it would look. And if you had 3 or 4 articles, you would have them all in alphabetical order from either the author, or if there is no author, it might be starting with the name of the article. Okay, so hopefully this will help you. This is how you pull a quotation, and then we would do an internal citation. And so if we were typing our paper, we would say my words, my words, my words, and then, oh, I'm going to put this quote in here. And I've got it cited, so my teacher will know that it's not my words, but that I'm giving credit to the person who wrote it. And then I'm going to put my words. And again, paraphrasing is just as guilty of plagiarism if you paraphrase as if you quote, because your words need to be your unique words and ideas, and the quotes need to be the ideas and words that you got from the text. So again, a quotation can come from anywhere, and the citation, it looks like this, or you can get it from here. All right, thank you.